On behalf of the Fredericton Community Foundation Board of Directors, I'm excited to announce the recipients of our 2021-2022 Impact Grant. This year, the Fredericton Community Foundation is celebrating its 65th year in operation, continuing our mission of helping caring donors support causes that enhance lives. Using our endowment model, donations are invested and the income generated is gifted back to the community year after year. This model allows us to support our community for good, forever.
Each year, the Fredericton Community Foundation accepts applications from local charities for our largest grant, the Impact Grant. This year alone, we received 20 applications with requests over $440,000 in funding to support various needs in our community. This Impact Grant is designed to provide funding for an organization or charity to create significant impact that would otherwise not have occurred. Applicants can request up to $30,000 and the funding is provided through our community fund. This year's recipients demonstrated immediate community need with their projects reflecting on intimate partner violence and youth mental health. On behalf of the grant-making committee, I would like to congratulate our two recipients of the 2021-2022 Community Impact Grant.
Our first recipient, who will receive funding of $8,500 with an additional $2,000 from the Fred and Gladys Memorial Donor Advised Fund, is the Fredericton Downtown Community Health Center with their project iHEAL, nurses working with women experiencing intimate partner violence to improve health and wellness.
The iHEAL project has been developed based on about 15 years of really impressive research findings that have really essentially driven the decisions made around building this important program. It's a nurse-led program that helps support women who are leaving or have experienced domestic or intimate partner violence. And the focus is specifically on health, safety, and wellness. So this is the first time and the only venue in the Atlantic provinces where this program is being delivered. We think that there's probably many more than the stated 1 in 3 women who experience DIPV, and there are plenty of really great services in the community to help them to leave the abusive situation, but none that is focused on health, safety, and wellness. A heartfelt thanks to the Foundation for recognizing the benefits of this program and acknowledging it and supporting it in this way. It's really been a 15-year dream, and we're finally realizing it in a really constructive way, and are really excited about the opportunity to roll it out and to start helping the women living in our area.
Our second recipient, who will receive funding of $20,000, is Partners for Youth with their project Counselling Therapy for at-risk youth.
Partners for Youth was founded in 1994 by former Senator the Honourable Jim Ross. We're a not-for-profit organization. We work across New Brunswick with children and youth at risk. A significant focus of our organization is on youth mental health. When we envisioned our idea in regards to the Impact Grant, we worked on a concept for quite a while in regards to how to connect youth at risk more quickly and efficiently to counselling therapy. It's a gap in service in regards to youth mental health, the long waiting lists when kids at risk are waiting for access to government services. We felt there was a role for the not-for-profit sector and the private sector to play to bridge the gap and cut down on the time between when a youth needs support and when they can access support. And so the premise of our project is really to bridge that gap and to offer youth the opportunity to connect really quickly with a social worker, who then in turn connects them as quickly as possible to a private counselling therapist. We've been working with a variety of funders in the last several months in order to bring the project online, and it always takes time in terms of funding, and so the Impact Grant from the Fredericton Community Foundation will actually allow us now to hit the start button. The support of the community through the Fredericton Community Foundation is really critical in order to get this project off the ground. That's real impact that we'll see in our community, and we know the long-term impacts that'll have on youth. We're just incredibly thankful for the foundation supporting us and for supporting this initiative for kids.
Once again, we'd like to congratulate the recipients of the 2021-2022 Impact Grant. We look forward to seeing the impact and positive change these projects will have in our community.